Breathe better and sleep deeper with the Levoit Classic 160 Top Fill Humidifier. Don't wait. Check out the link in the video description to get your Levoit Top Fill Humidifier on Amazon today and enjoy a healthier, more comfortable home.
Hey everyone, welcome back to AirPod Insider. Today we've got some exciting news for all you Apple enthusiasts out there. Apple has finally confirmed that AirPods Pro 2 will be getting a major upgrade in just a matter of weeks. That's right. Folks, the UK is about to become one of the first countries where users can take advantage of the hearing test feature on AirPods Pro 2. This feature was unveiled back last fall, and it's been available in the US for a while now. But Apple's been waiting for regulations to catch up in other regions. Now we know that some of you might be thinking, what exactly does this mean? Well, let me tell you, with the new policy guidance from the UK Department of Health and Social Care, Apple is set to release an updated version of software for the AirPods Pro 2. This software update will bring the hearing aid feature to life, allowing users in the UK to take a validated home hearing test to see if they'd benefit from hearing aid assistance. The implications are huge, folks. For those with mild to moderate hearing loss, this could be a game changer. No more dealing with social stigma or having to carry around visible hearing aids. AirPods Pro 2 could just do the trick. And let's not forget about battery life. We know it won't match regular hearing aids, but for some people that might be a small price to pay. Now, I know some of you are probably thinking, when can I expect this? Well, according to Apple's statement, they're calling it the coming weeks. That's all we've got to go on, folks. I'm guessing January or February, but who knows? We'll just have to keep an eye out for more updates from the team here at AirPod Insider. In any case, this is big news for Apple fans in the UK and beyond. With AirPods Pro 2 set to become a legitimate hearing aid option, we're expecting to see some real excitement around these earbuds. Stay tuned, folks. It's going to be an interesting few weeks ahead of us.